They were just barking. They're so cute. Oh my gosh. You hear them growling? There comes Mama. Oh, what are you doing? You're teasing the poor babies. They're hungry, Mama. Uh-oh, they're gonna climb out soon, man. Cute. Oh my gosh. Oh no. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, they're gonna climb out of there. Holy heck. Uh-oh. They're trying to get milk while she's standing up. Oh, Seder potato. Honey bunny, you gotta get in there. Hey, Mama, go in there, feed your babies. Oh, they want out of there, boy. Sadie, what are you doing? Get over here, Mama. Come here, girl. Come here. Seder potato, come here. Yeah, they're gonna climb out soon. Why are you jumping in and out? Stop it, Sadie.